Welcome everyone. Now let us have a look at the second question of today's contest. Second question was minimum number of operations to make this word as k periodic. So what we are given with a string word of size n, and we are also given with an integer k such that k divides n. It means the length of the word is n, and the integer which is provided to us is k, and n mod k will be equals to 0. It is clearly mentioned that k divides n. What we need to do is we need to return the minimum number of operations which are required to make the word k periodic. So what do we mean by k periodic is we say that the word is k periodic if there is some string s of length k such that the word can be obtained by concatenating s an arbitrary number of times. What does it mean? Suppose if we are given a string s of length 12. Suppose the string s contains 12 characters and the value of k is provided to us as 4. So what does it mean? It means there can be three substrings of length 4, right? If a string is provided of length 12 and the value of k is given to us as 4, so we can have three substrings. The first substring can be from 0th index to the third index, second 4th to 7th, and third will be a from 8th to 11th. So we can obtain three substrings of length 4 out of this 12 word string, 12 length string. So we will say this word as k periodic if all these three substrings are same. So then the word will be said as k periodic. Now what we can do is in one operation we can pick any two indexes I and j which are divisible by k, and we can replace the substring of length k starting at I with the substring of length k starting at j. In order to make the word as k periodic, we can perform these operations. So we need to return the minimum number of operations that we need to perform. So I hope the question is clear to you all. For better clarity, let us look at the example. The first example is given to us this, which contains a word of length 12 and k is provided to us as 4. So it means there are three substrings of length 4. The first one is this LEET, second one is this CODE, and the third one is again this, that is LEET. So there are three substrings of length 4. Now what we need to do is we need to make this k periodic. K periodic means all these substrings should be same. So for one way can be we can replace this lead with code, this substring with code, as well as this lead with code. Then our string will become code, code, code. It means all the substrings are same. But in this, we will require two operations. What if we do replace this code with lead? Then it will become lead, lead, lead. This is also k periodic. And in this, only one operation is required. So we need to return the minimum number of operations. So what we will do, we will replace this code with lead. In the question, what is said to us is we can pick any ith index and the jth index, and from that ith index we will take a string of length 4. From that jth index we will take a string of length 4 and we will replace. This we can do. So what we will do, we will take this 0th I, we will take j as 0 and we will take I as 4. So from 4 the strings of length 4 will become code, and from j equals to 0 the string of length 4 will become lead. So we will replace the code with lead and it will become lead, lead, lead. So in only one operation we are able to obtain the word as k periodic. In the similar way, see this one, LEET. The k is provided to us as 2. The length of the string is 10. So it means there are total 5 substrings. First is LE, second is ET, third is CO, then again LE, then again ET. So we need to make this k periodic. It means all the substrings of length 2 should be same. So what we can do? We can replace this. There are two options. Either we can replace this ET with LE, this is CO with LE, and then again this last ET with LE. Then it will become LE, 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 LE. This is a string 2k periodic, 2 periodic it will become. Or second option can be we can replace this LE with ET, CO with ET, and again this LE with ET. In this also three operations are required and it will become ET, 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 and ET. So both are 2 periodic, both are requiring 3 operations. We can do anyway. So we can return 3 in this particular case. So now what is the approach of this particular question? The approach is going to be very simple. What we are going to do, we are going to make one map. In this map, we are going to store all the substrings of length k. For example, in this, we are going to store the substrings of length 4. It will become lead, code, and lead. So there are, the size of the map is 2. And we will store the maximum frequency. Let's look at the code. See, what we are doing is, first of all, we have computed the length of the word, which is word.length. Int total is equals to length divided by k. What is this total doing? This total is giving us a total number of substrings of length k present in the word. Now what we are doing is we have made one unordered and we have taken one variable maxi. What is this variable maxi will do? This variable will store the substring which is occurring the maximum time. Suppose in this LeetCode lead, this lead is occurring 2 times. So this maxi will store 2. In the similar way, in this second one, LE is occurring 2 times as well as ET is occurring 2 times. So this maxi will store 2. So I hope you all are getting. So what we are doing is for int I equals to 0, I less than length I plus equals to k. We are taking us in temp, we have taken the substring of length k and we have inserted the string in our map. If this is greater than maxi, it means the frequency of this particular substring is greater than maxi, then we are going to store this frequency in our maxi. Once this loop gets completed, in our maxi, we will have the maximum frequency of the substring which is occurring. So what we need to do is we need to make that entire all the substrings same as that particular substring which is occurring the maximum times. So what we are going to do, we are just going to return total minus maxi, or you can replace this absolute by total, which is the total number of substring minus maxi. This will give us the answer. So I hope the question is clear to you all. The question was pretty simple. What we try to do is, in the first one, it was lead, code, lead. So lead is occurring 2 times, code is occurring 1 time. So we want our entire substring should be lead, lead, lead. So total substrings were 3. Lead was maxi value becomes 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Number of operations are 1. In the similar way, in this one, LE is also occurring 2 times. ET is also occurring 2 times. So maxi will have 2. Total number of substrings are 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So 5 minus 2 becomes 3. So we need total number of 3 operations. So I hope the question is clear to you all. In case the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.